Hey guys, Antonio here with another video on are you satisfied with your life? And before we get started, this goes along with the blog post down low, so make sure you check out the rest of the blog. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, get more videos like this and books that I'm reading right now straight to your inbox every single week. Let's get started. So, have you ever felt like you're not satisfied with your life? You've woken up in the morning and felt like, I really don't want to do anything today. I really don't know where I'm going. You're kind of lost almost. And you feel like you're just living life in this cycle and not really, fully immersed in it and fully enjoying it. The sad part about this is that most people think, oh, once I get this thing, then I'll be really happy. Or once I get that thing, I'll really be happy. Right? That's not how it works. That's the sad part. We're told that once we get things, we get happy. But that's not how it works. Well, the truth about happiness is that it comes from within. It comes from within from the beginning. Not tomorrow, not today, or not yesterday, today. It comes from within. You have to feel happy within in everything that you're doing, no matter what time of the day. I feel extremely happy recording this video right now because this is something I love to do, right? You, on the other hand, might not love this, so you would hate yourself doing this every single day. That's the truth about happiness. It has to come from within, and nothing external is going to give you it. You may feel slightly happy in the moment for getting that thing, but in the end, it will not make you happy. Do you understand that? That is a key point in life, just to understand. Now, how do we become happy? I got this idea from Tony Robbins. There's two things that help us become happy. First is progress. Progress? Well, progress is anything where we're getting closer to a goal of ours. I use this example a lot, but let's say my goal is I want to have a six-pack. If I see the weight go down on the scale and my body fat go down on the scale every single day, I will know I'm making progress. When I go to the gym and I'm working hard and I'm eating clean and I'm eating healthy, I'm tracking my calories, I'm making sure that I'm doing everything I need to do to get to that point, right? What happens is that I will know I'm making progress and I will get dopamine from feeling the progress that I'm making. I'm striving towards something greater. It's not the actual having of the six-pack that will make you happy. It's the fact that you're making progress and you're moving up in life, not staying behind. That is something that will help you do it. But now that is not everything, right? The last thing is gratitude. Being thankful. So the mind can only be positive or negative at once. It can't be both at the same time. And being grateful, feeling grateful for anything that you have right now. Like I'm grateful for my iPhone so I can record this video, so I can send out messages to people all around the world. I'm grateful for the internet connection that helps me allow to do that. I'm grateful for the shirt that I have on my torso. I'm grateful for these jeans that I have on my pants. I'm grateful for this watch on my hand. I'm grateful for being able to breathe, being able to stand. Just saying that you'll be grateful and realizing the vast amount of things that you have, no matter what point you are in life, will make you realize, it'll shift your mind from lack to abundance. When you shift your mind from lack to abundance, you realize how much you have and how powerful you actually are. But previously, when you were focusing on the lack, you were not going to feel happy, you were going to feel negative. So, the combination of feeling the positivity from gratitude and the positivity of making progress, that is what makes you feel happy from the inside, no matter what's going on the outside. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe to the mailing list. Make sure to click the button on my Patreon. Check out my Patreon page. I'd really appreciate it, guys, if you donate $1 a month to help me out creating videos and blog posts like this to help you out. As always, remember that a chapter a day lasts for success to make way. I'll catch you guys in the next one.